Why, you little... Get back here now! Fine, I'll stop making the noises if you just stop chasing me. Okay, fine. But don't make any noises again. I just said I wouldn't. I'm going to eat you. Still going to eat you. I said stop making noises. But there's a monster. That's it. The excuses are getting too much. Remember when you made excuses? Hello? I'm talking to you. Cookie's brother. Huh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Excuses are bad. But there's a monster. I see now. There's a monster. Run for your life. I'm going to eat you. Eat you. Yeah. Yeah. I said don't make noises. Ooh, sorry, Mum. I'll go. That's how you deal with a monster. This will be a lesson for all of you. Use your mum when you see a monster and make her angry.